Hey guys, Hideyoshi-kun here, and today we're going to be on about how to start a YouTube channel. I am a quite small YouTube channel, and I am on 8 subscribers right now. Yes, I know, very big. Honestly, I don't mind. I'm only doing this for the fun of it and to help other people. Now, in my opinion, if you want to start a YouTube channel, I suggest you research the YouTube algorithms. That can actually help you quite a lot, actually. Because once you got your algorithms down, you basically got some of your views there, which is pretty good. And the YouTube algorithm is based on the I think it's the click-through of the videos, when people click on the videos. So I suggest get a really good-looking thumbnail, something that will stand out, and also get people active in your videos, put in just subtitles, or just put out things that are popping out and stuff like that. And my opinion is, do something that you want to do on YouTube. If you want to do commentary like I am doing, go for it. If you want to do how-to videos, I suggest go for it. Just before you start a YouTube channel, please think about what you want to do. I know it's a lot hard of what you want to do. I know it's a bit hard to say, oh, I want to do this, as I want to do this, but then change. I wouldn't change halfway through because your channel can die. I had a Nightcore channel and it did die really quickly because Nightcore's pretty much dying, and I wanted to do other things than just Nightcore, in my opinion. Well, it isn't really my opinion, I just wanted to do other things than Nightcore. I wanted to be a commentary YouTuber because most of my favourite YouTubers are commentary YouTubers or meme YouTubers. My other tip is, if you want to be a gaming YouTuber, I suggest do popular games and not old games. If you're one of those retro ones, go for it. Honestly, if you're one of the retro style ones, go for it. Because, yeah, I suggest my tips are basically research the YouTube algorithm and look up videos, look on articles on it, and you've got most of your views on there. And I suggest you post every day, basically. I know I've been posting 2 days ago and stuff like that. It's just I'm doing studies along with YouTube, which is quite really hard to do in my opinion, but yeah. But yeah, if you want to start a YouTube channel, I suggest you get to the point of your videos, make them fun, make them interesting, and make them on something that people actually want to see. I know my YouTube channel is really bad because I'm just starting out, and I'm pretty sure in the future I really hope that I can actually get more equipment for it and actually sound better quality, in my opinion. I just hope. And my opinion is, do not ramble like I do sometimes, and get straight to the point in your videos, because nobody really wants to hear your life story. They want to know why they clicked on this video, they want to know what's going to go on this video, not somebody talking about their life story or different other stories. Please save that for a next video, in my opinion, because that could be a really good YouTube video for your next YouTube video. And just make things that just stand out in your video, not a really boring video, in my opinion. Again, I know mine ain't nothing like that because I'm starting out, but it's just a thought. Anyway, those are my tips so far. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you didn't, leave a dislike. I'm not really bothered. Like the video if you like it. If you're new here, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.